This is the SUPER73 Z1 General Assembly. Use 2 people to remove your SUPER73Z from its original packaging. Start your assembly by setting the bike on a clean surface, making sure the kickstand is engaged. Remove all of the protective packaging from the bike. Find all the provided accessories including the charger, toolkit, pedals, and reflectors. Find the 5mm Allen wrench to be used for the handlebar installation. Remove the handlebar clamp using the 5mm Allen wrench and keep the hardware and clamp for reinstallation. Place the handlebar into place and place the clamp over the installation. Hand tighten all 4 bolts into place, making sure the washers are included. Before securing the handlebar, have the rider sit in place to make any final adjustments to the position of comfort for the rider. This position can be adjusted again later after your maiden voyage. Next, make sure the main connection is properly made by lining up the arrows on the male and female connection points and gently pushing the 2 together. Both pedals are specific to corresponding sides of the bike, and the left and right markings can be found on each pedal. Once verifying which side each pedal will attach to, use the crescent wrench provided to tighten each pedal. The right can be tightened in a clockwise motion, and the left will be tightened in a counterclockwise motion. Lastly, inflate your tires to a recommended 18 psi. PSI will vary based on the weight of the rider and terrain of each journey. Set your SUPER73Z to charge by plugging the charger into the wall outlet and then into the charging port of the bike. Turn the battery on to begin charging. The charging indicator will turn green when the battery has been fully charged. A full charge should take approximately 6 hours. Make sure to perform a full safety check before your maiden voyage.